Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
You're listening to Pow Bites with the Daily Pow.
So, welcome to Pow Bites. And this is a mini podcast that we do, and we run in the weeks between the Powdcast, which is our fortnightly podcast. And by the way, we're the Daily Pow. I'm Pranati.
Amit.
And Purva.
And in this episode, we're going to talk about where you can watch classic movies in Bombay. Amit, you recently did a story about a company called 1018 MB.
Yeah, so basically what these guys do is that they allow you to organize your own film screening. How they do this is through their website. They have a list of films. You can go there, and the kind of films that they have are usually these cult classics. They have about 75 right now.
They just did Andaz Apna Apna.
Yeah, they have. They've got Andaz Apna Apna on there. They've got Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro. They've even got a couple of like classic.
Om Dar Badar.
Which is a strange film apparently.
Very strange film.
Which everybody.
But a film that one must watch.
All serious cinema watchers know this movie.
Yeah, even though it's the most unserious film.
It's just a terrible film. But so this was made by a guy called Kamal Swaroop in the 1980s. So they have that. They've also got classic Hollywood films like Breakfast at Tiffany's. They've got Gone with the Wind, and they've got The Big Lebowski.
Right.
So, did they do the
yes,
Big
they're the ones
Lebowski screening in
yes, they did. And they
so basically, if you want to organize
you
screening,
can. What they do is, because they have this bank of films, and you want to watch this movie on the big screen, you can obviously rent a DVD, but the experience of watching it in the cinema is something else. So you can choose from a list of cinema screens that they have. They've got a whole bunch of cinemas. They've tied up with a whole bunch of theaters across the city.
So
and
private ones and
like
the PVR kinds.
the multiplexes and the single screens. So the seats can range from as little as 14 at a preview theater in Andheri called Pixel D to as large as 1,000 at the New Excelsior in Fort. Now, what you have to do is
Why are we paying $1,000 for classic?
No.
The 1,000. The number of seats.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the prices.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you can do is decide the date and the time and the cinema hall, and based on their algorithm, they will decide the ticket price that that needs to be charged for the screening, because and the minimum number of people that you need to get to make this happen, because what they need to cross a certain break-even point, for it to be feasible for them. So, and this is one of the people who runs it told me that this algorithm is very cunning. What it does is the first thing that they ask you to do before you can even select your movie is enter your PIN code. So if you live in like South Bombay, you will be identified as a rich cluster. And your ticket prices might
I feel bad for you guys.
might be
when that's very
higher.
Misleading.
Yeah, it's very misleading, but hey, but nothing to stop you from choosing. But nothing to stop you from choosing
another PIN code.
Another PIN code, and also you can choose to travel to Andheri if you like. So then you'll get a ticket price, and now what you need to do is you need to reach this minimum number of seats. So you have to push this on your social media. You need to tell your friends, and this minimum can really depend. Like at a New Excelsior, it's obviously tougher because there's 1,000 seats. You'd probably have to fill up 500, which is difficult. But like at a place like Pixel D, you only need to gather 14 people. But on the other hand, the ticket price is likely to be higher because it's only 14 seats. But anyway, so they've had successful runs of quite a few movies. Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro, they've done like thrice, and
I'm
they've
sure
all been full. Yeah, they did Andaz Apna Apna, which was also houseful. I couldn't even get a ticket to go and see it, and
even though you've seen it some 10
yeah,
times.
but you know what? If you're a fan of this movie, you want to see it again.
I would go for Andaz again.
And it was supposed to be re-released in the cinemas on its 20th anniversary, which didn't happen.
Yeah.
And so it was kind of like, finally we can watch it again.
But there are other venues in the city that are also screening.
There's Matadin,
which I love. It's like my favorite. I actually go there to see regular films. I just saw X-Men there.
At the Deepak.
The full form is Matadin CFC at the Deepak.
Right.
Okay,
Cinema.
Matadin.
Yeah. So Matadin is basically, it was started by this guy called Pranav Ashar. He had a film club.
Is that the Enlightened Film Society?
Enlightened Film Society, that's right.
I have a token from Matadin, which I'm just going to take out of my bag while you talk.
A token?
So he set up Matter Den, weird name, in Deepak Cinema, Deepak
What's the matter
Talkies.
then?
Well, it has, I asked him what it meant once,
They let
and
you
he said
keep-
it was a very complicated name, and it had something
Yeah.
to do with dark matter.
So 1018 MB is also a very complicated name. It's apparently, because a gig is how much? 1024 MB? So apparently something like that, and this is just short of a gig, and if you want to organize a gig and you're short of, the requisites, then...
So Mataran lets you keep your 3D glasses.
they do. I think you
They
stole
do?
that.
You
No,
probably
they do.
stole
No,
that.
You
I
stole
didn't
that.
steal it. They
This
told
is-
me
no.
you can take it, and I have
Lies.
been for two. I've been for Jungle Book and for X-Men there, and they've let me keep.
You know,
both.
that's a pro tip that you're giving people, because
Yeah.
the other thing I found
And
out
they're
about the
pretty
Deepak,
good.
which has got nothing to do with what we're talking about, classic cinema, is that if a really popular movie is playing at all the other multiplexes, you're not very likely to get a ticket on the opening weekend.
Also, I'm not going to pay $700
yeah,
to
and
watch
it's $700
crap
to watch.
like Batman vs Superman.
Exactly. At
I'd rather
PVR.
But
watch-
you will get a ticket
And
at
you will
the
get
Deepak.
at the Deepak, because it's kind of like a little hidden gem. So, and
Right.
the
Yeah.
tickets will be much cheaper.
It's
They'll be like
$250
$250 for,
Right.
For
And-
silver.
A
and so-
blockbuster.
So the reason we're calling it the Deepak, in case you don't know, is that a few years ago it was rebranded as the Deepak. So it's not known as Deepak Talkies any longer, though that is the landmark.
Yeah, this is in Worli and Lower Parel.
Well,
I mean,
Lower
depending on
Parel,
where
really.
how you want to.
Yeah, so Mataran every week, so they screen a mix of contemporary cinema, like stuff that's just released, as well as classic stuff.
We saw In the Mood for Love.
We saw In the Mood for Love, and it was fantastic because it's a huge theater,
And it's perfect for that kind of film.
exactly,
You
and
know?
they've it's got nice seats, plush seats.
Yeah.
The samosas are great.
It's great to go as a couple. It's really quiet.
Yeah, except that the three of us went together,
And we saw a very sad movie,
which
how
was about
appropriate.
love.
Yeah.
There are these two massive elephants in the compound, which I love. I just
Yeah.
feel happy when
And
I
Mr.
see
Very-
Again, nothing to do with classic cinema.
Yeah. But so every week Mataran screens classic films. Like, for example, last week they screened Ingmar Bergman's The Seventh Seal for about a week. Fantastic, very depressing film. And then finally, the third place where you can watch old films is Liberty Cinema, and Liberty has been taken over by an arts organization called Oceans.
Also known for
As-
their art auctions.
Yeah.
Also known for their art auction. So you should look up their website, which is Oceanama, for their weekly schedules.
I didn't know they were taken over, actually. That's
Yeah, it's a sort of arrangement that they have
for screening.
for screenings.
Great,
Yeah, so
okay.
they've screened, like they've done week-long screenings of Stanley Kubrick films,
Okay.
of Alfred Hitchcock films.
And do they do regular movies also, or is it just
No,
now?
it's just these classic
Oh, okay.
ones.
So
And,
Liberty has become a vintage cinema hall,
Sort of, it has.
which is kind of perfect because it's such a nice looking.
It's a
And
beautiful
sometimes,
Art Deco
like for example,
cinema.
I watched Hitchcock's Notorious over there, and Oceans had taken out its sort of horror movie poster collection and had
okay,
displayed it in
wow.
the lobby
Yeah.
of Liberty.
It's a great marriage, I
Also,
think.
yeah, it is. Also,
Yeah.
the screenings are free, so you have to.
Oh,
They're
wow.
free. Yeah, so you have to sign up.
How
Uh,
often do they do this?
They do it every week, actually.
Okay,
Yeah,
right.
so they just finished one set of screenings, and I guess they'll start another one. So you just have to sign up to Oceanama and watch films for free.
So there's a little secret city tip there as well,
Yeah.
thrown into our Pow Bites.
And that's great that there are these places where you can watch these old school films.
Yeah, I mean, I just don't like watching movies on DVD. I don't believe that films were meant to be watched like that. Watch it on the big screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So
yeah.
the next time you're looking for something to do during the week or on the weekend, check out one of these three.
You can organize your
venues.
own screenings. You can head to Mataran, or you can
go to Liberty.
Go to Liberty.
So that's it for Pow Bites, and we'll see you next week.
If you like listening to the podcast, you can also check out Cyrus Says, hosted by the Cyrus Brocha. It's an irreverent podcast on current events, urban India, politics, sports, civic sense, traffic, kids, food, and everything that matters. Well, mostly.
Excuse me, भैया एक्सक्यूज मी,
बोलिए मैडम।
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑनकोर्स है, साइरस सेज है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, थिंग्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है और द फैन गराज है। आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम। आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप, सब आपकी उंगलियों पे।